It was just
an irritation
Yeah.
from that. Okay.
Hi, Emily. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Show Aunt Chris the shoes.
I thought I heard
Yo-yo.
You got a yo-yo?
Yo-yo.
Jocelyn's like, this other baby's getting more attention than me.
What's right with her? Give her
milk.
Give her milk. There, she's gonna give you the Yeah, okay.
And you give the baby the milk.
Thank you.
Can you get the baby a toy
Got
from
too
her
many
mama?
instructions.
Look, her mama has a
shouldn't
toy
look.
for her.
You give that to the baby?
I know, Mama.
You give it to her?
I think all the time.
Give it to
Also do get on together and all his parents are getting on.
There you
it.
go.
I know.
I have to stop myself.
Like,
Yeah, it's too much.
Right.
For 'em
We
to
do that
listen
sometimes
to.
with Jocelyn.
You don't realize you're doing it for a little while.
Well, I'm gonna go
Thank
get some
you,
Dr.
Jocelyn.
Pepper.
That's
Does anybody need anything else?
Oh, that's
I need a Snickers ice cream bar.
Isn't it?
It is.
Is it that or is it the fact
No,
that I
ma'am.
can sit still?
Oh, and I need some Parmesan garlic wings from Pizza
Or
Hut.
something?
You need some what?
Parmesan garlic wings from Pizza Hut.
Yeah, they deliver
He
you.
was drinking a Java Monster.
You're offering those, so I thought I'd just throw that in there.
Yeah, I need some groceries.
Emily.